Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can play Popcorn Doodle game on Google Chrome or phone. So here, as you can see, if you want to play this game, all you need to do is open up your Google Chrome on your phone. And then from here, go to the search box and type Popcorn Doodle. So just type right here and then just tap on search and you will find the first link right here. It says celebrating popcorn doodle, so click on this one. So this game is safe. As you can see, it is from Google, so you just need to tap on the play button again. Tap on play button. So compete against the 59 players to be the last one unpopped. And here you'll now go to the tutorial. So use the joystick to move to the target. So move your character right here and then avoid getting hit by the projectiles. You can also use the shield, special ability, when a projectile is nearby. So there you go. So let's play. So tap on let's play and you can select mode here. So I'm going to select solo and select the player you want. I want heal, then play ready. And you just have to wait for a few seconds here, finding the players, collecting the 59 players. Then you are now on the level 1. And here, you can now play the Popcorn Doodle on your device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.